Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you what is Apple Health and how to use. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Apple Health is a built-in app on iPhone that acts as a central hub for all your health and fitness data. It helps you track your steps, workout, sleep, heart rate and much more all in one place. Whether you are using it with just your iPhone or pairing it with Apple Watch or other fitness apps, Apple Health makes it easy to understand and manage your health goals. So what is Apple Health? Apple Health tracks health data like steps, distance, heart rate, calories, sleep and more, helps you monitor health conditions like menstrual cycle, heart health and medications. Then sync with third-party apps like MyFitnessPal, Strava and Nike Training. Works best with Apple Watch but works well even just on iPhone. In order to use it, first what you need to do is head over and then open up your App Store. Then on the search bar, simply type in Apple Health. Now, once the search result loads, look for an app icon like this on your search list, then simply tap on it. Now, once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the Get button and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Now once downloaded, simply tap on Open. Now, once you're here, then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then enter basic info like age, weight, height, sex, and etc. This helps with accurate calorie and health tracking. Then next is to track your activity automatically. If you carry an iPhone with you, it already tracks your steps, walking or running distance, flights and stairs climbed. You will see this under the Summary or Browse tab. Then next is to connect devices like Apple Watch. If you use an Apple Watch, it will sync your heart rate, workouts, calories burned, blood oxygen and ECG. It syncs automatically when paired to your iPhone. Then next is to sync other health or fitness apps by simply heading over to the settings. Then once you are here, on the search bar simply type in health, then tap on it. Now choose apps like MyFitnessPal, Strava, Sleep Cycle or Auto Sleep and Nike Training Club, etc. Then approve the permissions to save data with Apple Health. Then next is to track health info. Simply tap Browse in the bottom menu to track different calories like activity, steps or distance calories, then heart rate, your sleep, mindfulness, nutrition, and medications. Apple Health keeps your data private and secure. Only you decide which apps and devices can access your info. Data is encrypted and stored on your device or iCloud if you enable it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.